What's up, brother? Today's the day.
Signing day, but low key. All right, man, you heard it. Today's the day. We're out here at our nudist project at 500 Prairie Court. Man, there's a lot more stuff than I remember when we first looked at this property. Come on, let's go check it out.
First time seeing it, so.
Yeah, so this is your first time. I bought it, I made the decision, told you about it, said it's a good project.
I was like, hey, count me in, bro, let's do it.
Let's go see if I made the right choice.
Let's see, man.
We'll see if we're still friends after this one. It's like the secret garden back here.
So much crap, man. Anybody want to pick something up? It's all free. Maybe the bike will sell.
This one's not bad, bro. European.
Nice.
I'm gonna look that thing up on the internet and see what it goes for.
Give it a nice spray down.
Yeah. Hose that thing off.
Bro.
Bro, look at this backyard.
So we're gonna have to get rid of all that, right?
Yeah. Oh shit.
Let's see.
It just keeps getting worse.
Goodness, man. This is so much trash. Should lift a cup. Is it in there? We're gonna have to haul all this out. We got the keys. Finally. There you go.
Hella
What does
keys.
it say?
Not sure, possibly
Side garage?
side garage.
About to walk in and see the damage of this place. Got the boy Sonny behind me. So much trash here. Does it open, bro?
That smell.
Yeah?
Ugh.
Oh my goodness, bro.
Hold on, man. I need a minute. I need a minute.
What happened, bro?
Wow. I'm scared to go inside.
Oh, it's bad.
It's bad.
Let's go to battle, man. Let's see.
I think especially that heat the last few days.
Oh, bro.
Just let it marinate.
Oh, God. It does smell, bro. Dude, there's still so much crap in here, man. I don't think she took anything. She literally did not take anything, bro.
At least we know her dog was fed.
A whole rack of spices.
That is a nice
Yeah,
knife.
that's nice, bro. That's a keeper.
Souvenir.
She actually left food in there?
You want some ice cream?
Oh, bro.
Some ice cream, some
There's
ground
some meat in
beef.
there, bro. Grass-fed?
Grass fed.
Grass-fed meat.
At least she was organic.
Got tomatoes and stuff. Milk? Brand new in the back. Jesus, bro.
You need a fan? Weather's hot.
Hey, those are good, bro. These go for like $50, right?
Look at this vintage
These fans actually, it's not bad.
vintage typewriter.
Oh, bro. That's
Remington.
money right there.
We're gonna let the people decide who did a better job.
Oh my goodness, bro. Look at the floors. Behind you. Is that all hair?
Oh shit.
No, look at that, bro. That's all hair.
Oh.
That's disgusting, bro. That is disgusting.
At least she left the washer and dryer.
Dude, that's good. What's the plan?
So
With like, obviously recess lighting in here?
yeah, recess lighting, get rid of the popcorn ceiling.
Mm-hmm.
Try to open this up as much as possible.
Yeah.
If we can't get rid of this, that's fine.
Yeah.
But if we can, definitely open this up.
Right, the little bar there.
Open up all of this.
Because that's the part that connects with the kitchen.
Yeah.
I mean,
This is nothing.
No, it's just like a standing.
Yeah, open up all of this, get rid of this closet,
Right.
and then we should cap this off.
Uh-huh.
And then put a pantry door right here.
I like that
We
idea.
can do like an accent wall, like with the trim.
This one?
Yeah,
Okay.
yeah.
I like that.
And then here we can put a door, and make a
Nice.
pantry,
Yes, I like that.
like a walk-in true
I like
pantry.
that.
We can get some new lights because it kind of looks
Oh,
nice.
bro,
to
it's
me.
gonna look really nice. Yes.
It's actually gonna look a lot bigger
Oh,
once
yeah.
all this
Yeah.
shit is out of here.
I love that it has the high ceilings too, man.
Yeah, the high ceilings
that's-
makes a huge difference.
I'm already having issues with the garage door. It's alright. Let's see if I still got my skills, bro. No, I don't play, bro.
Escaping out of here,
Yeah.
it's gonna be huge.
This is the first progress update of this amazing transformation we're gonna do on this property. There has been so much stuff just coming out, pouring from everywhere. When we first walked in, it was an absolute dump. Like seriously, dump. The smell was so bad. But with a lot of love and a lot of work, we will definitely transform this place, and you will see all the incredible upgrades we're gonna make to this place, from the bathrooms to the kitchen, to the paint colors, to the flooring, everything. You will see the whole transformation, so stay tuned. Como quedó. Signing day at the office. We did it. Ladies and gentlemen, we have made it to the finish line. The final product is here after, what is it, like two months almost of work that we put into this property. It was so much work. If you guys remember, we took up probably about 27 trailers of just straight junk. We basically hauled out all of that from the start, and we transformed this place into what it is now. This gorgeous home ready for the new home buyer. We were actually already in contract. As of right now, we're hoping to close by next week, and we received a pretty good offer, not gonna lie. And there was definitely some hurdles we had to come across on this one, but we made it happen. And so let me show you what we did to this place. Truly excited to show you guys. Get ready. Welcome to Prairie Court, Project Prairie Court. This was an absolute amazing project. From start to finish, we completely remodeled this place. Let's start in the beginning. Out here in the front, where we did somewhat of an upgrade. Of course, we changed out all the siding in the front. It was completely just, honestly, I feel kind of bad for the owner, previous owner. They had some dogs here, and they were just completely tearing up this siding. We had to change out all of it, pretty much. Brand new garage that we installed over here. As you can see, we have brand new mulch over here on this side. We completely just made it simple. Very low maintenance for the new home buyer. That's something that we pride ourselves in. We want to make it an enjoyable home for the new home buyer, where they don't have to put that much work, that much maintenance into basically living here. You see it clean now, it's gorgeous. But before, there was just piles of old couches, billboards here, just a bunch of stuff all over the place. And now look at it, it's completely gorgeous. So let's go on inside and let me show you this masterpiece. It's gorgeous. Just want to stop right here because this is actually one of my favorite pieces of this entire project. Honestly, this door came out amazing. The style of door to begin with is obviously gorgeous. The door itself came in a raw wooden color. We decided to stain it in this walnut tone. We just turned out, oh my God, my absolute favorite piece of this entire project. But come on inside. Welcome to this beauty. We completely changed the layout of this entire front section. The way you entered before, there was a wall there, a wall over here, and it was very closed off. For literally anyone to come in, it would be like, wow, where is the kitchen? But now, as you can tell, it is completely opened up. I mean, you can enjoy a nice breakfast, a nice dinner with your family over here, or in a dining room over here, but still be able to enjoy maybe some family entertainment space over here, and just have that walkway, that flow, and that openness throughout this entire entertainment space area. Especially this kitchen. This gorgeous kitchen. Actually, let me back up real quick. The main attraction, I believe, is this wall here. Shout out to my partner, Sonny. He started this trend. But I think this adds a lot of character to the home. As soon as you walk in, I mean, it's smack in the middle as soon as you walk in. So it really adds a little character, a little touch to this home, making it a little bit extra special for that home buyer. Coming over to the kitchen, I mean, this kitchen is just gorgeous in terms of the way it flows with the rest of the house. Personally, I love this touch right here. These hanging lights add some nice warmth, tones to the space here. Brand new kitchen appliances. We actually didn't change out the cabinets. We kept the same cabinets, but we decided to paint them, making them look nice and fresh, give it a nice paint. We did change out the handles to add that modern touch. And of course, we put brand new countertops in. I feel like gold is coming back in style, so we added a lot of gold accents throughout the entire house. And of course, we included a pantry area for the new home buyer. Pantries are a key essential piece to a kitchen. Flooring, of course, adds another big component to the remodel that we did to this place. I mean, just the tone of these floors opened up the space completely as well. Before it was these wooden, dark tone pieces, it didn't do this home justice. And so by adding this flooring, these vinyl planks, absolutely the best choice that we could have made. Huge shout out to USA Carpets out in Richmond. Shout out to you, Richard. Thank you for hooking it up. Coming over to the second living area, you can say, which is right across from the main living area. We didn't do much here. Of course, we just painted the fireplace. We kept the same mantle. Love that wooden texture there. And of course, we put some nice can lights. We did change out that sliding door. It was pretty bad condition. And actually, we did change out all the windows throughout this entire house. It just needed it. That's it here. Let's make it over to the bedrooms. Like I said before, this is a 3-bedroom, 2-bath house. We have 1 bedroom here. We didn't do much to it. Obviously paint and nice light fixtures. We have our 2nd bedroom over here. Same thing here. Paint, nice flooring, some nice doors that we changed out and throughout the house. And of course, the handles. We have a laundry room over here. Once again, we didn't change much to it. We were actually fortunate to keep the same laundry. It did come with a washer and dryer from the previous owner. And they weren't in bad condition. So we actually just gave them a deep clean and we kept them for the new home buyer. Bathroom number 1. We did a full good job on this one. Brand new vanity set with some gold accents. Love that. Of course, the rest of the shower with some nice color accents. Moving on to the primary bedroom. The highlight of this home. As soon as you walk in, you have this gorgeous primary bathroom as well with some gold accents and a nice walk-in shower. These golden accents definitely add a nice touch to the home. And of course, we can't forget the actual bedroom itself, the primary bedroom. Absolutely massive, absolutely gorgeous. It's incredible what you can do with some nice white paint. We did change out these big sliding door closet doors. They're in pretty bad shape. Actually, one of them was missing, so we had to replace them completely. But it turned out gorgeous. Nice light fixtures. Once again, the golden accent. And overall, turned out great. Let's go check out the backyard. We didn't really do much with it. We kept it very simple. Very low maintenance as well. We did have to change out the entire fence surrounding the entire property. That was probably our biggest cost because of lumber, of course. But I mean, it turned out nice. And by far the craziest part about this home before the remodel was its backyard. It was completely a mess. I mean, just imagine walking through a jungle. That's what this backyard was. Right where this concrete ends, that's where you could only go. Like, you couldn't go past that. We decided not to put any grass or any greenery there, just to give the new home buyer the option to do whatever they want, visualize it, maybe put some nice pavers, grass, a mixture of concrete and grass. Literally the possibilities are endless. But they do have some nice fencing surrounding the entire lot. Ladies and gentlemen, that is a tour of this property. We had fun with this one. It was definitely a nice project. We definitely learned a lot on this one. The many lessons and challenges we faced on this one, but like I always say, with every project, you always learn something. And every single day, you learn something new in this business. That's what I love about this business. It keeps you on your toes. And it fills me with passion. Bring you guys along on this journey of not just this project, but all the projects that we have coming along. We always want our homes to look the absolute best. Gorgeous, beautiful, ready to move in for the new home buyers. If you enjoyed this home tour, you're definitely gonna wanna stick around for the next projects that we have coming along. With that being said, ladies and gentlemen, you get one life. So make it count. Peace.